Welcome to Raw Forestry, where machines don't just work, they dominate. From synchronized shredders and high-horsepower chippers to surgical sawmills and relentless mulchers, this is power engineered for impact. The visual impact hits instantly. Two hardened steel drums rotate in perfect sync, each tooth shaped like a predator's jaw. They don't just crush, they orchestrate destruction with rhythm. Watching a full-size Cadillac fold under synchronized torque feels less like demolition and more like industrial ballet with a mean streak. Steel meets steel, momentum takes over, and in seconds, mass becomes scrap. Out on private land, a sleek Fendt 942 Vario rolls into position. Behind it, the Viper 92 MH chipper waits like a hungry animal. Together they haul, feed, and chip entire trees in minutes. No axes, no manual dragging, just clean mechanical precision. Land clearing becomes fast, safe, and brutally efficient. A setup that makes you rethink what hard work even means. Then the RJ's VZ 950 Titan from Bandit steps in 700 horsepower, dual shafts, built to dominate. This isn't random crushing, it's precision recycling at scale. Entire vehicles disappear into rotating steel, waste volume reduced, scrap yards cleaner, material recovery faster. Power with purpose. In a smoky American arena, a Chevy Duramax diesel rises on 6.6-inch tractor tires and climbs over a sedan like it's nothing. Glass shatters, steel bends. The crowd roars as torque and weight converge. It's raw spectacle, proof of mankind's fascination with controlled force. Shift gears, and a veneer slicer steals the show. Full logs glide through a chain-driven system and emerge as paper-thin sheets in seconds. What once took hours of labor now happens with mesmerizing precision. Massive timber handled like it's lightweight stock. Speed, consistency, zero hesitation. Back in the woods, a hung-up tree freezes the moment mid-fall. Instead of panic, there's discipline. Relief cut, stabilizing wedge, controlled pressure from a safe distance. Calm execution shaped by years in the field. Felling isn't guesswork, it's physics applied under pressure. Straight out of a sci-fi forest, the Timber Pro TN725C with a Rally 3 head grabs, slices, and processes trees with over 320 horsepower. Towering hardwoods fall cleanly, stripped and cut with insane precision. Watching that kind of control never gets old. The Predator 9HS runs hydraulic rams calibrated to perfection. Fluid pressure transforms into relentless crushing force. 60 tons per hour isn't marketing, it's throughput measured in steel and timing. Energy becomes momentum. Momentum becomes output. The chainsaw debate never dies. Husqvarna 572 XP versus STI HLMS 462C. Both deliver brutal power and razor precision. The final verdict? Still open. In the end, it's about the operator behind the throttle. The TDS V20 chews wood like a hungry beast. Every chunk vanishes into the chamber with a growl. It's almost entertaining until you remember to keep your distance. Splinter rain isn't a souvenir you want. Modern logging tech pushes boundaries. Fluid blade motion, high precision control, but durability and maintenance always matter. Performance is nothing without reliability. Raw logs sliced into flawless slabs on a Fun Mix and Bandsaw mill digital carriage, can't slabber, cutting up to 800 millimeters thick at 25 meters per minute. Labor saved, accuracy gained, production streamlined. Then the Petzlato PTH 1200M track Titan wakes up. A Scania DC-16 engine delivering 656 horsepower drives a drum that devours timber without mercy. Logs enter, chips exit, stories erased and reborn as biomass. The Chipper Energy CT 40 to 75 TTS bridges forestry and farming. Producing high-quality chips for renewable energy, it proves that clean fuel production is no longer niche, it's growing demand. A three-wheeled vehicle that once rolled city streets is crushed into scrap within seconds under steel shafts. Recycling technology doesn't just cut costs, it improves safety and material recovery. Deep in the forest, it becomes a symphony of machines. An MNTGA 10X8 truck with 480 horsepower leads. Two MN 8X8 trucks follow, each with serious muscle. And the Honolulu 1310 chipper steals the spotlight 70 by 100 centimeter intake, 10 cubic meter bunker, shredding at 150 cubic meters per hour. That's coordinated power. Even sharpening techniques spark debate. Spiral method or straight point. In forestry, every detail affects efficiency. The Wema Vampire demonstrates extraordinary cutting force, incredibly effective, undeniably dangerous. Machines like this demand strict safety discipline. "28 trees cleared in a flash. Machines operating with insane precision. Hydraulic systems smooth, no wasted motion. What takes crews days now, takes minutes. The Peterson 2000 710D weighs nearly 70,000 pounds light for its class. Massive in-feed opening, lift roller clearance, quick change screens for output control, built for throughput, built for adaptability. A Belgian-engineered press delivers over 150 tons of compressive force. Hydraulic pistons channel energy into impact, flattening drums into recyclable sheets. Mechanical precision meeting raw compression. The Raptor 800 packing a 640 horsepower Cat C18 engine, paired with an AHWI 900 mulching head, melts through timber like it's brush. Durable, relentless, built for punishment. Streamlined operations change the game. Smooth handling, minimal downtime, maximum output. If productivity matters, systems like this redefine the ceiling. The Cubic 2 vent fabric automates firewood production, moving, cutting, separating chips and dust. Smarter waste management, faster throughput. Modern firewood isn't manual anymore. Even at small scale, innovation shows up. A 3-4 horsepower Husqvarna chainsaw running at 9,000 revolutions per minute, mounted on a DIY picador-style easel, converts raw timber into firewood efficiently and affordably. Proof that ingenuity matters as much as horsepower. This is raw forestry. Steel, hydraulics, torque, rhythm. From crushers and chippers to harvesters and mills, it's all about controlled force and relentless efficiency. In the forest or the scrapyard, power isn't random, it's engineered.